back to the Lavish Wamish channel. I'm Stephanie. Since last time we've been talked about the AI technology and what AI could do, we have received many comments from Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for all the sharings and suggestions. This time, I would like to introduce you to humanoid robot. What is a humanoid robot and how robots are taking over humans? Alright, so come with me to explore more information of the field. Dream of these robots, from movies to comics. These are now becoming commercially available today, making science fiction a reality. In general, like a human, humanoid robots have a torso with a head, 2 arms, and 2 legs. Although some forms of humanoid robots may model only part of the body, for example, from the waist up. Robotics is a worldwide trend and showing no signs of slowing down. It's projected the market for humanoid robots will be valued at $3.9 billion in 2023, growing at a staggering 52.1%. But why are they made to mimic a human? Maybe it's easier for people to accept the robots when they have human-like faces. I think because people can expect how the robots will move, will react. What do you think? Also, they can work with human tools and be in similar environments. In addition, the evolution of peripheral components, such as sensors, that enhance the robot's ability to feel, touch, grip, and see, increase the functionality and areas of humanoid robots. If you're thinking to step into this field, this is a time for you. Different areas of knowledge, like understanding human behavior and human body structure, human cognition, electronics, and more, are needed to build a perfect robot. That there is no set path to a career in robotics. In fact, only few universities offer an undergraduate course in the subject, meaning that most people study something else and change to robotics later. Every robotics has a different background with different training, and robotics team have bachelor's or master's degree in electronical engineering, mechanical engineering, aeronautical engineering, computer science, physics, math, neurobiology, and bioengineering, and each member brings something unique to a broad subject. As a beginner in the field, start with free or paid online courses on artificial intelligence and machine learning, or take up a course on electronics. Also, try your hand in programming. And one recent major achievement I'd like to share with you guys was Russia on 22nd August 2019 launched an unmanned rocket carrying a life-size humanoid robot that will spend 10 days learning to assist astronauts on the International Space Station. But, unfortunately failed to dock with the International Space Station on Saturday's morning by 100 meters. Discussion on humanoid robots have started like any major technology revolution, that whether these robots will make our lives easier or take our jobs. And today I had a talk, that's kind of like chit talk, with the factory owner who had 650 employees before and now only has 60. He is using robots for repetitive similar tasks. But my view on this is that yes, robots will take our jobs and also generate new opportunities and new kind of jobs. And humanity will persist. Robots have taken millions of jobs in manufacturing sector, and now more jobs will be lost in retail stores, customer service, fast food, and etc. Oh gosh, time will tell how things could be in the future, right? But these humanoid robots can do jobs like caring for our elders and perform risky, even the dangerous tasks. On our Instagram, I have posted multiple videos on robotics. Innovative robots are changing the way we live and work, and China is going all out for automation. The country has become the world's leading buyers of industrial robots and is increasingly manufacturing them at home. A robot revolution is underway in China and pulling the world towards it, as robots have higher efficiency and easy to work with. Amazon, the e-commerce giant, has over 30,000 fulfillment robots working in its warehouse worldwide. In DHL, logistics company perform packing, kitting, and pre-retail tasks by robots alongside their human colleagues. And CIG, China's leading supplier of telecom, replacing 2/3 of its 3,000-strong human workforce with robots. Those with its retail stores in US and Canada have employed customer service robots that will recognize people by voice and face. Foxconn, a Taiwanese multinational electronics company, replaces 60,000 factory workers with robots. Nestle uses SoftBank's paper robots to sell Dolce Gusto coffee pots and machines in department stores in Japan, as well as answer customers' queries. Top tech companies are in a constant race to change the way robotics are implemented in people's everyday lives, which will lead us to a really exciting future. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you have any ideas and questions, please leave comments below. And if you like the channel and want to get more new tech information, welcome to subscribe the Lavish Wamish channel. And don't forget to follow our Instagram via the link above. We'd like to hear your voices and see you in next video. Bye.